I should have seen the signs. I should have seen the signs. Right in between the lines. Was it premeditated? Did you really sit back and plot on me? Cock back your name, boy. You really did take a shot at me. What did it do to make you kill this vibe? I took that bullet and now I'm trying to survive. Everything that you did, I was bulletproof to it until you hit my heart. Now my world is ruined. I should have seen the signs right in between the lines, but I let my guard down and I believed every lie. I should have killed my feelings for you. I should have killed my feelings for you. I should have killed my feelings. I should have killed my feelings. But it was murder, not suicide. I was brave enough, you ain't scared me. Scared, nah. Even with your license to carry. Even Super One couldn't fade me. And everyone was saying I'm crazy.
Hey, bestie. I just got out of the shower. Finna put some clothes on real quick. Bitch, I forgot to tell you.
What?
I got the Airbnb. Remember the Airbnb I was talking about
Yes.
for the party?
Yes.
Bro, I am so excited right now. You don't even understand.
What they say?
What they say, big birthday, okay?
Period. Your birthday finna be lit.
Okay, don't play with me. Anyway, I'm finna go. I gotta go check out the house because the party was supposed to be tomorrow. So I'm trying to see if I can still do that. So I gotta check out the house at 3. Are you trying to go with me?
Girl, yes.
Okay, bet. So just meet me here at my house and then we could just ride over there together.
Okay.
All right, see you in a minute.
All right.
Little bitch, I'm the one that keep you bitches on your toes. Little bitch, I'm the
We're here. You sure anyone here? I ain't seen no person in the driveway.
Girl, he said be here about 3 o'clock. Will you stop tripping?
Girl, are you sure about this?
I know the house don't look how it look on the picture, but like, shit.
I'm the one that
Yeah, make sure. Cause we don't want to be pulling up to somebody's house and
Bro,
this ain't
it's
it.
the right address. Come on.
All right. We about to figure it out because if it ain't, we get back in this car fast. But in my head,
My head? I could see.
girl, are you sure about this? Look. I don't know. I'm just saying. Look, he ain't even finna answer.
Girl, he's old. I seen his little picture on the email.
I'm gonna count to 5.
It's probably taking him a minute. It's taking him a minute
Still
to
not
get
coming
to the door.
Look.
In the back.
In the bag. Why didn't you just open the front door? See, I'm telling you.
In the back?
Oh, he mean over here? Cause I don't want to go in the back. He can't come to the front. Oh my gosh. Oh, I need to leave.
Hi. Sorry.
How y'all doing?
Yeah. So I had an appointment here to check out the place. I was thinking about renting it from, find his name. John Foster. Do you know who that is?
Yeah, that's my dad. You must be Claire.
Yeah, I am. This is Faye.
Nice to meet you, Faye.
Nice to meet you too.
No. So you mentioned something about an appointment?
Yeah, so I had emailed him like a few months ago. Wanted to come check it out because my birthday's tomorrow. Is it still available?
Yes, it's available. Let me just get freshened up. Get your stuff from out the car and I'll show you the place. Is that fine?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not trying to invite that many people because I'm not paying for no repairs.
Right.
So, can I get you ladies anything to drink?
Water's fine.
Me too.
Okay.
I didn't mention it before, but you look real familiar.
Well, I should. We did go to Burns Elementary and Renaissance, but you probably wouldn't recognize me with the whole Steve Urkel look.
Oh, I recognize you now. How have you been?
I'm hanging in there.
So, is it just you and your dad that live here?
Yeah, my dad passed, so I'm just keeping up on the maintenance on this place, pretty much.
I'm sorry to hear that.
So, shall we start the tour? Come on in the kitchen. I got newly renovated stove, refrigerator, everything.
Okay.
Stainless steel on that side. Like it?
Yeah.
That's the kitchen.
You better like it. Go. Don't mind this is my latest addition to the house that I just got right here. It's real nice. But down here is the master bedroom. Down here is over here. We got another room over there. Nice bathroom over here.
Okay.
So.
What's in this room?
Hey!
Oh, shoot.
That room is off limits. Okay? Nobody can go in there. Just get up, go up there, please. So, how long will you ladies be staying again?
So I rented the place for 4 days, but Faith has to leave tomorrow because she has a conference.
Oh, really? What kind of conference?
It's a business conference. I'm hosting for entrepreneurs. I'm in marketing.
That's good. The code is 69408, and the keys are in the bowl up there. I'm going to get out your hair. Just make sure you keep the noise down to a minimum. My neighbors can be a bitch, you know? So that's all I ask. And oh, yeah, happy birthday.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
He's fine now. In 8th grade, he was ugly as hell. Why he yell at you like that? I want to go in that room so bad.
Like, why you want to do it? There's nothing in there.
I do not feel like unpacking all of this.
I'm gonna leave mine packed. Or should I? I should take it out.
Girl, I don't know what to do.
Hold on. Hello? Hey, girl. Ooh, let me tell you. So Claire got the house for 4 days. Mm-hmm. Yep. And guess what? The owner's son is cute as hell. I ain't seen no ring on his finger. Girl, okay, whatever. Are you coming to the party or what? Okay, I'm about to send you the address. Alright, bye.
Who was that?
Girl, that was Chloe. She said she coming to the party.
Oh, okay. You inviting Derek?
Of course. Girl, you know that man love him some me.
More like he's obsessed with you.
Girl. Girl, if he's not obsessed with me, I don't want him.
Okay.
Period. I think I'm gonna just unpack my stuff. Might as well.
This is what I'm wearing tonight.
That's
but
cute.
with like some nude heels.
Wait.
You
My
got the same
outfit?
thing?
No. It's
Oh.
better than sparkly though. Ooh.
Besties, don't play.
Okay.
Can I see the outfit though?
Why does ladies don't want to open?
You done broke your damn zipper.
See, that's because that door was small. When we trying to get in, I kept on
Oh,
pulling
so you
it.
blame it on his door.
Yes, it's his fault. What is that?
Girl, you ain't got
gotta-
nothing to
we
match
got-
me. Goodbye.
Yes, I do. It's in here.
Pull up every day like vroom vroom, killing it every time I bring the bass. Did I come in the all the guys in my box?
Happy birthday.
I bring the car crash. Pull up every day.
Hey, tell me to say it. Alright, so I'm thinking about switching jobs because my boss is an asshole. Yeah, I know. I just need a few thousand, baby, and I'm gonna get that store, okay?
What's the problem? What the fuck is going?
with you?
Man,
Bro, what is y'all doing?
my bad, Claire. I ain't mean to break that shit.
I swear I can't bring y'all no fucking where.
That's him.
It ain't me.
We ain't even do shit.
It look like they can pay for this shit anyway.
That's not the point, motherfucker. It's my name on the shit.
having this shit.
Bro, you gonna have to give me the money or get the fuck out.
I'm done.
Matter of fact, all y'all can get the fuck out. Party is over. Bye. Yeah.
We go.
Pick up the party. Come on, bro. Hey.
So much for our nighter. You need help?
No, it's cool. I know you gotta get up early and it's late, but thank you for coming.
Well, it was fun while it lasted. I'm gonna call you when I land.
All right, love you. Drive safe.
You're awake. See, you must have left the door open last night. I must have started you. You know you really wasn't supposed to see that. To be fair, this room was off limits.
Look, I'm sorry, but please don't hurt me.
Hurt you? Never hurt you. I adore you.
What?
I've been in love with you since elementary school, but I never had the courage to tell you. But I guess now's the time, I guess.
Thomas, this isn't love.
How you know what love is? I got you countless of gifts. You ain't appreciate shit I bought. Just like the rest of them, you used me and took advantage of me.
Thomas, please don't do that.
Are you hungry? I made you breakfast. I asked you a fucking question.
How am I supposed to eat and I'm tired of it?
I'll feed you.
Okay, I'll eat on you.
I hope. What were you doing?
Nothing.
You know, one thing I hate is a fucking liar. Liars deserve to be punished. You know, my dad would cut me every time I told a lie. But I learned a special trick to cope with the pain.
What are you gonna do to me?
It's gonna hurt me way worse than it hurts you. You know, I'm sorry, baby, but you made me do this. No, we're not gonna lie again, are we?
No.
I got some aloe vera to help the cut.
Bitch! You fucking bitch!
You know, after finally sending that email, I thought it was a way we can finally be together. But I guess not. It was all me. You'd be amazed what you can do with technology these days.
Why are you doing this to me? Thought we were friends.
8th grade dance ring any bells? Well, luck for you, I have a copy of that night.
I'm sorry, okay? What we did to you that night was really horrible. Please just let it go.
Can't do that. See, if I let you go, you would just go to the police. I know what you're thinking. No, I won't. I swear. Fuck out of here. I wish I could believe, but I don't.
Someone will eventually come looking for me.
See, Faith is all the way across the damn country at her conference. And after blocking her on everything, I see why she upset.
I don't believe you.
See, I'm not a liar like you, Claire. I actually tell the fucking truth.
Claire!
Faith, call the
Say something else and she fucking dies too. Back so soon?
Ooh, scared the shit out of me.
I'm sorry. What you doing back so soon?
Oh, the conference call was canceled. Storm came in, so we had to reschedule. But Miss Claire, I've been looking for her all morning.
She left about an hour ago.
Her car's still here.
She left an hour ago.
Well, thanks again for letting us use the place. I'll just call her later.
No problem. Forget something?
I'm just gonna call Claire and let her know she left her stuff.
Sorry, Larry.
You gotta wake up. Claire. Shh. We gotta get out of here. Here, you gotta try. Gotta get away. It's okay, best friend. I'm gonna get to the hospital for you, okay? You just gotta hold on.
Another house call. Man, my wife left the house making peace with kids. It's not like they paying us over.
Wait. You gotta fight her.
Hey, sir. I don't know what's going on, but it ain't worth dying over. I'm gonna need you to drop your weapon. Sir, listen. Drop your weapon. I'm not gonna say it again. Sir!
Yeah, I should have seen the signs. I should have seen the signs. Right in between the lines. Was it premeditated? Did you really sit back and plot on